सत श्रीकाल जी, I am Dr. Jaskirandeep Kaur, working as Member State COVID Control Room. Today on 111th day, I am here with information about state's efforts to combat coronavirus spread. Coronavirus has infected 1,26,53,300 people worldwide, whereas 7,38,700 people have recovered from this deadly disease and 5,63,500 people have succumbed their lives to this disease. In India, 8,23,927 people are diagnosed with COVID-19 and 5,16,338 people have come out successfully of this disease, whereas 22,153 people have died till date. Punjab government has taken very proactive advanced decisions to ensure control of spread of coronavirus. In this regard, 3,88,494 samples have been sent to the labs for testing, out of which 7,587 samples have been found positive, which are 231 more than yesterday. 5,040 people have been discharged and 195 have lost their lives. Active cases so far are 2,352. Although all over people across the globe are grappling with the novel coronavirus pandemic, the World Population Day is being celebrated today on 11th July. This year focuses on multiple challenges, health, economic and social. The COVID-19 crisis has not spared any country. Rich or poor, reproductive health planning, family planning and mental health among other issues have taken bit of backseat as medical resources have been stretched over the pandemic. The United Nations Development Programme recommended the introduction of World Population Day in 1989, inspired by the public interest and awareness, which was created by 5 billion day on July 11th, 1987, when population reached 5 billion. The theme of COVID-19 World Population Day is important amidst the coronavirus pandemic. The UN designated day focuses on creating and celebrating awareness how to safeguard the health and right of women and girls now. आपदा में भी नियोजन की तैयारी, सक्षम राष्ट्र और परिवार की पूरी जिम्मेवारी is the slogan from every health worker motivator in Punjab. The day was celebrated and will be continued till 24th July, creating awareness about family planning methods and all methodologies like family planning operations will be given priority. Punjab government have ensured to award such good motivators in this regard. The COVID positive patients who are advised home quarantine must keep a thermometer and a pulse oximeter to record 3 readings of fever and oxygen saturation, so that they follow the strict protocols of home quarantine, and they should take tablet vitamin C and zinc as recommended by the physician along with the other prescribed medicines. During COVID-19 pandemic, we have to protect ourselves and our families by taking appropriate precautions, such as wearing a clean mask with a good fit, maintaining a social distance of 6 feet from each other. At the same time, comply with the restrictions imposed by the government on containment zones so that we can prevent the spread of this deadly disease. Thank you.